Yeah, it's kind of short in the front. Look, my little man. You gotta sit down, Papa. Can't be touching no buttons, bud. Well, that's nice. Yeah, it wasn't simple with steering wheel, but I think it's heated. They got the big screen up here. Smell good. Got the big screen up top. Nice. I could have sworn the car went up when I opened the door. Did it go up and down? Let's look at this one, Jacob.
I only heard about this one.
Is that the lights from the car? Oh, this that new fully electric van. It's got a lot of space. Got the lights light up.
Don't email them to me.
It's the iX SUV.
Okay, I will.
Oh, you okay, Papa? Come on. It's nice. Oh, it doesn't even have that part of the door. Got some regular seats in here though, but it's very spacious. I love that screen they got in there. Steering wheel's very nice. Oh yeah, they put the lights right behind the glass.
If we buy this,
Ooh, look at the back. Plug up your USB and all that. You can probably put your phone there somewhere. And then it's like a deep ceiling too. That's nice. You don't got, yeah, don't slam it hard, Papa. It's slammed by, look, it closed by itself. See?
That's what they're doing. They're pushing a lot of it.
It ain't working though, because the price ain't right.
He goes, the guy, he goes, what are you guys doing here, dreaming? I said, that's all we can do.
That's right. Now with these prices, one guy said 150. That's a lot for an SUV.
You guys wanna go to the
Ooh, we got a little orange in here. Okay. Oh, this got some different handles. I ain't gonna lie, the wheels is nice. Yeah, they took their time to make this one. And it smells good in this one. Got the big sunroof in there. I ain't gonna lie, BMW capturing my attention. I like the lines in here, man. These ain't no baby pinstripe. These is real molded on door trims. Top and line, sound system. Love the material they use. A little bit of everybody's using these big screens. It is tight in these cockpits. I don't know what's up with that. It's kind of, it feels very comfortable though. I can see myself riding in the van. And it's real dark in here. Don't it get dark in here? Or is it just because I'm in the weird house? Yeah, this is nice. Whoa. Okay. Got their little functions. This is nice. Alright. Yeah, buddy. All y'all speed racers, man, they on you. Osceola County ain't playing. Ain't playing, my boy. You see this one on the road, don't even do it. Don't even do it. You got the wheels and all of that. You got the lights, got the wing in the back. You want to race? You want to race? Come on, man, don't do it. Man, even the news people got a super beefed up vehicle, man. Ooh, that's how they be rolling for real. They got the screen, everything. How you doing? What's that? Is it electric?
No, so while we're here, we can't have our batteries connected.
Oh yeah.
So the batteries are disconnected. So we're actually powering the equipment from the wall.
Okay.
So we're plugged into, there's an power outlet.
And that can still monitor like what you guys are recording.
So what we put in that monitor up front is the same thing that's in this monitor.
Okay.
So it basically, normally it's like a radar map or something like that.
Yeah.
This is what we've got in the loop.
Okay.
Just it looks better than just a map of weather.
Yeah, true. That's nice though.
Thank you.
I like how y'all put it together.
Thank you.
Hey.
It took them about 8 months to build it.
Who put it together?
A company called Accelerated Media in Boston.
Okay. Nah, they did a great job.
Yeah, they did.
Well, at least y'all get to ride in style.
Yeah. It's a little noisy, but you know.
Yeah, to the truck, yeah. A lot of off-road wheels.
Yeah.
It's like you hear it in the cabin.
Yeah, it's roar.
Yep.
And the rack creates a lot of wind noise.
Oh, okay. That's dope. That's the only one they give you? Or y'all got another one?
This is the only one we had that's this size. We have 2 smaller ones.
Yeah.
Those are Ford Explorers.
Oh, okay. Oh, the Explorer's cool too. Yeah, that's nice. Seat come up. Man. Oh yeah, man. Shout out to them people in Boston. Y'all put this bad boy together. We got the news people riding in style, man. When these hurricanes and these storms come through, man, they the one going out there, man. Gotta make sure they good. Of course, shout out to all the firefighters. All the firefighters. Shout out to my little brother, he a firefighter. You feel me? That's a big ladder.
Lena Wayne.
They be going real far. What? She went inside which one? The bouncy?
The fire truck.
Mama, you went inside the fire truck? You like it was big and comfortable? See, you don't gotta be scared. Look at you, Mama. And Jacob. What y'all over there in the fire truck? Y'all didn't get a hat. You got a hat, Mama? Man, what you got in that bag?
The only one.
They got some nice wheels on this one. And they got the screen. Like how they got that long roof on top. It's nice.
Babe. Stop it.
I can cut it.
No, you gonna delete it.
Hi.
How y'all like it? Yeah, it's nice, right?
Can you close the door?
Can I close the door? What?
There's no handle.
Uh-huh. This one alright, but they need to put some TVs in the back for the price they going, you know what I'm saying? You can see out the roof too. I swear I love it. I know
That's how I feel about it all being gray like that. It looks weird.
but it's that paint. It's
Yes, you are, baby.
like the gray right now.
Side, girl.
This gray right now is like one of the most popular colors. Cause you know they keep putting it on every other car. That one color is it. See, this is the Panamera, but it's a hatchback too. I don't know.
The black one.
Yeah, the black one look different in the front.
My brother said, I know why you're there. You're there because you're buying me a car, right? Look.
Huh? Don't go to Bossy House.
Oh, yeah, they got T-Mobile over there too. That's the new Hummer. You ain't know it? That's the Evo, fully electric. She ain't know. She ain't know. She ain't even know. Yeah, but it's. I don't know. It's sexy. Got that two-door. I like it. About 150. Got the big boy wheels, all that gap. Another front end. GNC, I ain't know GNC made this. Okay, footsteps going there. Okay, they got the new Acadia. Hey, what is this? What is this bad boy right here? Is this that new Mustang truck? I think so. I think it's that new Mark. Wait, look at them lights. Ooh, look at the Mustang. Got the two-tone. Oh man, they got that big screen in there. Pretty standard as far as the interior go, but I'm pretty sure it's a fast car. Man, clusters. They got the cluster looking real small over there, but it's probably for a reason. Then you got that big screen, you got the roof. Pretty basic, but it's a nice car. I see how they did the new rear end on the new GTs and now. Okay, where that dark horse at, man? Y'all ain't bring the dark horse out. Got that new F-150 Platinum Lightning. Storage space in the front, a lot of lights. Got to spend about $95, get you one of these. Plug out right there. Big front. Got the screens in there. Again, I like retractable footsteps. I do not like those. I like that. I don't know if the light's up. Big towing capacity. I love the rear end. I love the lights. Oh snap! They got a simulator. Oh man, I need. Hey, can I play? Oh, it's moving around. Last time we seen one on the internet, it was blue. It was navy blue. So we got a new dark horse for y'all. It's all white with the black. I actually like it. Oh yeah, the horse.
Don't get in.
Yeah, that's the dark horse. Hey, the lights up. Oh.
It's because of this thing.
We're gonna go over there and check it out.
Who's driving that car?
Oh yeah, that's a Hellcat. Not a motor.
Not that. That.
You can't touch none of those cars.
Nope. That's nice.
50 minutes ago, right?
Oh, that's Freddy. Ooh, it moves too. I don't think nobody doing that. I don't think nobody doing that on the internet.
It's a nice wrap.
It is. And then I ain't never seen the lights like that in another car.
There's a guy on YouTube called Kali Muscle.
I ain't heard of him.
He's from, he lives in LA.
Okay.
And he does his cars.
Oh, Muscle.
Yeah.
Look, oh, I know you're talking about
Yeah.
now.
If you watch his videos, all his cars that he got with this one. They have all time to hood there. This shit is tight.
Yeah, he really.
Tight. Yeah.
And then you know about Tall Guy?
Oh yeah, yeah.
I remember when
seen him in a
Tall
while,
Guy.
though.
Nah, he just dropped a review.
I had Jay Leno money. I probably had Jay Leno again.
Oh, you know it. Ooh, wee. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe to the channel and see what they got going on. Better stop playing. Better stop playing. They got that big Texas in here, man. With the trunk and the light up and all that. Let me get you up in there, man. Check out the detail on the trunk. Man, even the hinges. Come on, man, stop playing with it. Okay, you got the lights at the bottom. I need to give me some of these lights too. Okay, I see how y'all coming. Oh, wee. Phantom Menace. Oh yeah, it's pretty stock in there. Y'all got big snacks. Can I get some? Ooh, wee. It's that Jaws, man. Come on, man. It's that Kia Stinger, man. I keep telling y'all about that Kia Stinger, man. Kia Stinger, where is that? Follow their Instagram and all that. Ooh, wee. They went all out. I used to watch Jaws back in the day. I used to be scared. Got the red seat belts, custom floor mats. I always like these cars, man. Oh, they from Louisiana, man. This joint wet. You gonna need a bigger boat, my boy. All the way from the roof and all that. Oh yeah, this say Mopar on the front. This must be a new one. Hemi lighting up. All I need is the blue seats in this one. Say Mopar on the seat. Mopar family. I see how y'all be rolling. You can see the flakes in the paint and all that, but I like how they just kept it simple, man. It's that brand new. Man, you got the Batgirl S150. Batgirl S150 lighting up. All type of colors in there. Custom front. Okay. Alright. All kind of lights. FLA Batgirl, so she from Florida. This one ain't nice. Got the little. Go follow her right there. Oh, they got this one slammed to the ground. Oh, you come on. Yeah, you come on. Isn't that a picture? Oh, I love this one. They got it slammed to the ground.
He'll let you get in and get your picture taken in it.
Oh, I should. I love this wrap. Ooh. Wayne Enterprises. Oh, this bad. Hey. They did a real, oh, he in Florida too, okay. Ooh, wee. It's a bad man pajama right here, gang. Got the old Batmobile inside on the dash. It's nice. I wonder if it got airbags on it. Then you got this green one over here. Oof. might have to bring it back. They got Batman. Oh, 1320. Hold on, what that mean? Scat Pat that say 1320 on it? That's nice. Alright. So I'm gonna show y'all the Hulk real quick.
Yeah, we do a ton of stuff for charity.
Okay.
We do autism. We have a diabetes show coming up November 12th.
Okay.
100% of every dollar that we raise goes to the charity.
Oh no, I couldn't. It's all white, but I love the yellow. Got the Godfather thing. Got the Prime in the shop. Prime, y'all need to holler at me and get some advertising. Needs that sponsorship. Got a Hellcat over here. Ooh wee. Got that last call badge on this one. Hold on. Like this one. Put the Hellcat badge in the back with the SRT. Now I love the tire stickers on this one. Cool. That's nice. I like this one. Then they got the hood is wrapped as well. Man, this is a bad boy right here. They got everything changed. Jailbreak. Yeah, nice.
I did it. Yes.
What do you call it, Papa? Oh, we was just talking about a Viper the other day. Ooh, wait. Better stop playing. Tent World. I know exactly where y'all at. And I seen this car every time I ride down the street. Yeah, off-road out. Here you go. And this the old school, not the new school. It's the one they had on the Viper, the TV show. Now I know this fun riding down the street. What is this? The Murcielago or something like that? Or old school joint in pristine condition. Sorry. Oh, you already know about the Porsche. So I'm gonna just show y'all what Tent World doing. I ain't gonna do too much. Follow them on Instagram. Oh, they got the beat in the trunk. 2 JLs in there. Okay, I see you. This ain't bad. It's a Tesla. Oh no, I'm about to say it's a Tesla. That's a Tesla. But they got this one bag and sag. Go find my boy. I ain't never seen a Tesla look like this and had them kind of wheels. Ooh. Y'all see that? Yeah, man. Got that air ride. With the big wing on the back. Man. My boy be flying down the block in this one. That's a nice car. And then you got the other Tesla. Man, they got some nice wheels on here. Paint job. Ooh, wait, hold on, baby. What they got in there with the lights? Look at the lights, gang. They not playing. Carbon fiber wing, rear diffuser. God trust Tesla, man. Go follow my boy.
See the Batman and the Batgirl over there. A back and there's a whole car over there too.
For real? You seen what car you like the best, Mama?
Batman and Batgirl.
Oh yeah, the Batman Batgirl. Back. Hold on. Rick Ross, you need to come get this, my boy. Frontier Nursing Academy. Okay. This thing clean, boy. They used to ride clean back in the day. Fiberglass dash. Ooh, hold on now. They got a whole jet in the front. Let me find out y'all got a plain jet in this joint, right? Nothing but Fast and Furious over here. You already know what it is. Got that good old, what is this, the Evo? You know what I'm saying? What's this? Yes, sir. Good old school Evo, you know what I'm saying? From Fast and Furious. Alright. Man, they got that S2000 CR. Shout out to Andy 4S Speed Boy. Got that good old jet performance. Man got that custom, you know what I'm saying? Got that custom, yeah. Look at the front end, man. Too low to the ground. That front end is one of a kind. Ooh, wee. I know this ain't an Acura. Why this look like an Acura? They done converted an Acura into a... You know this is an Acura, right?
Let's go.
It's an Acura.
I'm hungry.
I'm a hamburger.
I think it is.
Oh,
Say Honda on it. Oh, got the wheel on the other side. Yeah, yeah. It's bad. Bad. Ooh, wee. They done converted the Acura into a Honda. It's bad. Let's try to get y'all a quick walkthrough, man. See the engine in the back. Oh, they about to crash, boy. Slow down, my boy. We got the big carbon fiber wing on there. Yeah, this one ain't. Let me see. My boy, he's selling. What is it? What year? 15?
Yeah.
2015 Mustang, customized all red, white stripes. You see, he did the custom dash. He got the good sunroof. Got the rims on there. If you want to get it, you know. You want 5,000? Yeah, 5,000 here in Orlando. You know, he got the wheels. You know, everything look good. Keep it in good condition. So if you're trying to get it, let my boy know. What's your name? What number?
Jason.
Jason.
Yeah.
What's your number? Number.
My number?
Yeah.
407
Yeah.
668
Yeah.
2940.
All right. So hit Jason up, and you want to cop the Mustang, man. He trying to let it go. You know, everything good in good condition. All right. All right. So you say got small details. For example, is convertible. The engine doesn't run. So one window is 115,000 miles on it. And if you want to get it again, it's Jason. He got a number in the video. You want to be successful? You want to be great? You want all the riches? Hold on. Did you put in the work? Did you grind? Did you go get a 9 to 5? Did you put in the long, hard hours? Did you study long nights, long days, in and out? Did you work them 2-3 jobs? What was your sacrifice? Where's your consistency? You say you want to do this, you say you want to do that, but I don't see no results. Day in and day out, you still doing the same thing you was doing yesterday. What about all them big plans you had? What happened? Change your mind? Too hard? You can't do it? In this life we live, nothing easy. You gotta push through them gates. Remember this. You always gotta have faith in God. You always gotta believe in yourself. Stop giving up so easy. What's wrong with you, man? said it's real carbon?
Yeah, it's real carbon.
Damn, $5 grand for that one. That's tough. I know he must have won a lot of races. I like the steering wheel on there too. This one open? Wow. Write my living room full. How y'all feel about that? Like, well, yeah, dude. This one is nice. I got an S on the side. I wonder what that means.